Welcome back, students. Now we'll start the next para of the same topic. Company officials become nabob. However, not all company officials succeeded in making money like Clive. Many died an early death in India due to disease and war, and it would not be right to regard all of them as corrupt and dishonest. So, however, the other company officials, they are not that much economically wealthy as Clive. Clive is more wealthier than any other company officials, and so many company officials, they died early in India because of some diseases which was spread in India, and sometimes some officials, they died due to war. And it would not right if we say everybody were dishonest or corrupt. So it would not right. Everybody was not corrupted or dishonest. Many of them came from humble backgrounds, and their uppermost desire was to earn enough in India. So many company officials, when they came from England in India, their condition was very poor, because in England their economical status was very poor. But in India, their first and foremost desire is to become. Their first and foremost desire was to earn enough money in India and then return back to Britain and then lead a comfortable life in England. So those who managed to return with wealth led flashy lives and flaunted their riches. Now the company officials, those who came in India for earning money, and after earning money, when they went back to England, so what they did, because there earlier they used to live a very poor life. So when they had so much wealth, Indian wealth with them, so they started living fleshy lives and they flaunted their riches. Like they are doing show off. They show off and they were called nabobs. So in England, these people, those who came from England, earned money in India and then again went back in England for living a comfortable life. So these people, they were called nabobs, because England people in English pronunciation, they used to call Nawab as nabobs. This is an Anglicized version of the Indian word Nawab. So they were often seen as upstarts and social climbers in British society. So these nabobs, they were seen as upstarts and social climbers, because earlier their condition was very poor, but after returning from India, they started living a good life. So they were in the society, they were ridiculed or made fun of in plays and cartoons. So people, they started making fun of them.